I have a question for you, and that is, how many of you have an action plan right now that you would be able to earn rupees 1 crore in the next 3 years? Let's be honest. How many of you have an action plan wherein you would be able to earn rupees 1 crore in the next 3 years? ये सक्सेस स्टोरी आप लोगों ने देखी है, जिसमें कि हमने आपको बताया था he crossed an income of more than 2,62,000 rupees पहले, and this is in September 2019. This is 2 years ago. The kind of results that he gets is extraordinary. Now Abhit has almost hit the 1 crore mark. By the end of this month, he'll hit 1 crore. जब हमने वीडियो बनाया था उस समय 70 lakh rupees थे. Ashna has grown her Instagram. Now her Instagram followers are more than 50,000 and she's monetizing a lot. She's earning a lot of money there also. Because एक बार again, how many of you know it? Once you get the attention, the revenue would follow. Do you agree? एक बार जब अटेंशन जनरेट हो जाती है उसके बाद रेवेन्यू जनरेशन हमारे पास होने लग जाता है. रेवेन्यू जनरेशन की अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमारे पास खुद ब खुद क्रिएट होने लग जाती हैं. सो दैट इज आल्सो वन मोर थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टीच यू. नेक्स्ट, यू नो अबाउट चेतन सेतिया सर. नाउ हिज इनकम इज वे मोर देन रुपीज 1 करोड़. और आप सोचो अगर हमको कोचिंग देते हुए इतना टाइम नहीं हुआ है, 3 ही साल हुए हैं, तो ये सारे के सारे रिजल्ट पिछले 3 सालों में ही आए हैं. आई होप एवरीबडी अग्रीज विद दैट. इफ यू डू टाइप ए, you know about them, their income has increased a lot. I don't know about the exact figures because this video was made around 5 months ago, I believe. Then you know about him. Income मैंने पिछली बार भी interaction करा था, if you remember. So the time we made this video, his income was 10 lakh rupees in 30 days. Now it has crossed 40 lakh rupees. And I guess he gave the date of September to hit the 1 crore mark. Next is Purushottam. Purushottam has learned from me and Purushottam has also learned from some other people also. And now he has crossed 1 crore 40 lakhs, something like that. Next, you know Saurav Pal. When we recorded the video, his income was 90 lakhs. Right now, it is more than 1.3 crores. Plus, there are a lot of other people who have got such other results. Plus, आपने network marketing के results देखे हैं, freelancing के results देखे हैं. You have seen Umair getting these results. Then he came to our event and now he's doing very well. Then the couple came to our event. They got their 2 clients in 45 days, now getting more clients for themselves. Then you saw the success story of Gulshan Saini. Then you saw the success story of Mr. Kapil. Kapil already earns more than rupees 1 crore as he's based in the US. And now he's doing considerably well, even learning a lot more things. So पहली चीज possible है कि नहीं है? The big answer is yes, it is possible. दूसरी चीज क्या बहुत easily होगा? No, it will not be easily possible. That is what I'm going to be very honest with you. अगर इतना easily possible होता तो हर कोई कर ले जाता. लेकिन plan of action मिलना, कैसे आगे grow कर सकते हैं, कैसे आगे strategies बना सकते हैं, ये सब जब समझ में आ जाता है उसके बाद चीजें हमारे लिए इजी हो जाती है. So do you agree there are these 3 things that you would be able to do? Either you can get into coaching if you are a subject matter expert, or you can come up with your own product or your service. अगर आपका अभी कोई already product बना हुआ है तो, right? And somebody has asked me, will you be guiding from the basics to the advanced? Yes. बहुत सारे इसमें हमारा pre-recorded content है जिसमें आपको बहुत सारा basic information मिलेगा. Plus we are also going to give you a lot of information जिससे कि हम आपको advanced level पे लेके जाएंगे and scaling का information बताया जाएगा. And more importantly, tomorrow on Thursday as well as Friday for the next 3 days we are going to do back-to-back sessions. wherein जो हमारा पूरा email automation है वो हमने कैसे करा है, कैसे results लेकर आए, वो आपको बताया जाएगा. And how do you tackle the objections primarily on doing on phone, वो बताया जाएगा. Got it? Make sense? सबको ये चीज समझ में आती है. These are the 3 ways how you would be able to earn money. Either you will be into coaching, or you will be having a product of yours, or you will be in the service industry. To become a coach, of course, you need to be a subject matter expert. To get with your own सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, आपको सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट होने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आपको उस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेज होना चाहिए. एंड इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ योर्स दैट यू वांट टू पिच एंड दैट यू वांट टू स्केल, दैट इज आल्सो समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू बी गॉट टू यू. लेट मी टेल यू द रिजल्ट्स दैट यू वुड बी एबल टू गेट, or we'll do it the other way. Let me tell you the various opportunities that you would be able to open up for yourself, and then you get for these results. For some people, rupees 1 crore would be possible. For other people, rupees 50 lakh would be possible. And understand, why am I giving you a 3 years window? A 3 years window is something that is applicable for everybody. I'm being very honest. A 3 years window is applicable for everybody, irrespective of which level you are today. Maybe you are just at the beginning level, maybe you are in the middle, maybe you are at the advanced level. If you are at the advanced level, you will not take 3 years. You will take maybe 1.5 years or 2 years. Got it? If you are at the beginning level, then you will be taking at least 3 years. Because आपको बहुत कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा, implement करना पड़ेगा, results लेकर आने पड़ेंगे, और उसके बाद scale करना पड़ेगा. Listen to me very carefully. You'll first have to learn, then you'll have to implement, then you will be guided on how you will be able to scale it. Because you will individually never be able to get to this point. Everybody agrees. In order to get income like this, you will also be needing more people in your team. As a solopreneur, you cannot achieve such results. How many of you agree with this? Type 1. Type 1. One industry, it will become very difficult for you to concentrate. But if you work with one sort of industry, then what's going to happen is आप जो content बनाओगे वो content ultimately बहुत सारे brands use कर सकते हैं. If you have made content which is tailor made for hotels, what's going to happen is a lot of hotels are actually going to use it. The same content can be modified with the basic segment remaining the same, with the basics remaining the same, and you can use it for multiple clients in the hotel industry. So you work once, you set up your protocols, you understand protocols, you set up your rules once, and उसके बाद आप उसी को अलग-अलग brands को present कर सकते हो. But industry or the niche would remain the same. Everybody is clear with this? If you are clear with this, type C. आपका time बचेगा, आपका एक targeted audience रहेगा that I'm going to target this particular audience. आपको पता रहेगा कि उनको आप क्या बेनिफिट देने वाले हैं, आपको पता रहेगा कि उनको आगे क्या रिजल्ट्स आने वाले हैं, आपको पता रहेगा कि सबकी प्रॉब्लम्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम रहती हैं. You will be able to make a question bank based upon the questions that you get from them. Do you understand that? That is also something that is going to be helpful for you. तो आपकी बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आप सेटअप करके उनको दे देंगे, and therefore it is going to be so very helpful. And आप जिस भी इंडस्ट्री में हो, माना आप अपना खुद का कोचिंग करना चाहते हो, आप अपनी खुद की कोचिंग देना चाहते हो, जैसे सुतानु इज हियर, आई नो शी इज एन इंग्लिश कोच. यहाँ पे अक्षय है, अक्षय इज अ फिटनेस कोच. देयर आर अदर पीपल ओवर हियर, आई नो आदित्य इज देयर जो कि सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट में. गॉट इट? तो अगर मेरे को पता है कि आप इसी इंडस्ट्री में करना चाहते हो, बिकॉज यू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक निश, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी एबल टू सर्व मोर पीपल एंड हेल्प मोर पीपल. वो सबसे बड़ी चीज हो गई. सो एवरीबडी नाउ इज क्लियर विद दिस. हमको क्यों एक पर्टिकुलर डोमेन लेना चाहिए? अगर आप उनके लिए कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट भी करोगे तो कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट भी इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ओवर हियर. गॉट इट? गुड. नाउ you choose a sector. There are multiple sectors that you can choose from, and we'll also go in depth कि आपको कौन कौन से sectors यहाँ पे बताने वाले हैं, आप उसमें से कोई एक choose करोगे. The next thing that's going to happen is these are some of the things that you can do for clients. Number one, you can set up and manage their email autoresponders. I repeat, you can set up and manage their email autoresponders. तो हम आपको पूरा समझाएंगे how do you do email marketing, what is email marketing all about, how can you reach out to clients for that, how can you get results for them. So this is one thing that you can do for them. The second thing is you can actually set up sales systems for brands. जब आपको एक बार सेलिंग की पूरी डिटेल्स आ जाती हैं, ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर का मतलब होता है ऑटोमेटिक ईमेल्स जाना, ऑटोमेटिक ईमेल्स जाना. गॉट इट? दैट इज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ email autoresponders, right? The next thing that you got to do is, once you are aware about the sales automatic systems, the next thing that you can choose is help a client transition from offline to online. You tell me how many brands would want to take this business of theirs from offline to online? How many brands would be there? Would the number be in millions? क्या ऐसे लाखों businesses होंगे जो अपने business को offline to online ले जाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप उनकी लाइफ में ये काम कर सकते हो? क्या आप उनको ये गाइडेंस दे सकते हो? अभी नहीं, बट सीखने के बाद दे सकते हो. These are some of the deliverables that I'm giving to you inside our program. Okay. Next, how can you do the content management for brands? How can you do the content management for brands? How can you learn how they will be able to set up their content? What all content will go on their social media pages? All that information would be given to them, and therefore it becomes very easy for them that you prepare the content and you tell them, we are going to save your time.
Hello sir, good evening.
Hi Shubhnath, how are you?
I'm fine sir, how are you?
I'm doing really well. आप थोड़ा सा energetic mode में आ जाओ.
Yes sir.
Okay, good. So what do you do?
Sir, I'm a student in first year right now. So I'm also currently learning digital marketing, SEO and मतलब different fields. अभी मैंने start ही किया है just.
Okay. And I believe you are also a part of our program, right?
Yes sir.
And you also were coming to the residential workshop.
Yes sir.
And you are coordinating with Saurabh Matale.
Yes sir, I'm talking to him.
So I know a lot about all the people who are a part of my community. Okay, task for you. Supposedly you want to pitch me for content management and you say that, Rahul, I am going to manage your Instagram as well as your LinkedIn content. I'm going to answer the messages for you and I am going to post the content on your behalf. How will you pitch me? What is going to be your pitch? Tell me.
Okay, so hi sir, I have reviewed your Instagram profile and while I completely like the way that you are engaging with the audience and you are posting regularly, I feel that as a student who's currently also learning a lot, and I'm also in touch with people from my generation, I know that I know the current trends, and I know uh, how to uh, how to keep up with those trends, and also how to interact with different audiences of different age groups. So, sir, I would request you to. I would pitch myself by saying that.
You won't say to me, I'm going to pitch you my product or your service. Okay,
Sir.
I'll do it on your behalf. Okay, then you give it one more try.
Okay, sir.
Not bad. It was good. And considering this is your first attempt, but let me tell you how I would go about it. And then you'll
Yes.
understand why learning is very important. Hi, Shubhnath. I am Rahul. I went through your content on Instagram as well as LinkedIn. I saw that on a monthly basis, you are reaching out to around 1 million people. What if I tell you that I would guide you and we would set up your entire content so that the number of people you are reaching out to every month is doubled? The kind of leads that you are getting would increase by 80%, and that would automatically result in a lot of revenue generation for you. If I may ask you, what is your average price point? How much do you charge an individual for your services? Now, supposedly you give me an answer. Yes, you tell me. How much do you charge clients for an individual service?
So on a monthly basis, I'll charge around $15,000 on a monthly basis.
Correct. So you charge 15,000 rupees to a client. Now you tell me, if we give you double the reach and if we give you 80% more leads, supposedly your conversion ratio on them is even 5%, automatically, I believe you would be able to generate additionally at least rupees 5 lakh rupees per month. Will you be interested in hearing more about this proposal?
Sir, I think the first thing that we saw was that you were much more confident, and it seemed that you know what you are doing, and I think that is the first thing that we should be having is confidence, and the person should be able to see that जिससे बात कर रहे हैं उसको पता है कि वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
And more importantly, one more thing that people have written over here, I was telling you exactly what you are going to get.
Yes, sir.
Got it. So जब आपको ये चीज समझ में आएगी कि जो मैं आपको सर्विस दे रहा हूँ, उस सर्विस में आपके पास जो रिजल्ट्स आएंगे वो आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद होंगे. Only then will you be ready to give me your time.
Exactly.
Got my point? So that is something that is very important. So when you reach out to a client, supposedly you are reaching out for social media marketing agency, what you got to say to clients is, I am going to give you this much more results, these many more results. I'm going to give you these many more people who can know your content, who can get to know more about you. And then what's going to happen is you will be able to get more engagement, more revenue, and more results. Now, Shubhnath, if I will be able to deliver even 50% of what I promised to you, is that a deal worth taking? Should we go ahead with this discussion? So the entire thing is that everything is in your favor, not mine. I just told my name.
Yes.
That's it. Everything else is in your favor. Now let me ask this question to you as well as to all the other people over here. Do you pitch in the same manner? Dusri cheez, when you pitch somebody, most of the people will say, Rahul, send me an email. So what I'm going to say is, Mr. Shubhnath, I've already sent you an email. Please check your mail, because that is what they would want to do. They would want me to deviate from it. The next thing that I'm going to tell them is, all right, can I have 1 minute of yours? And उसके बाद फिर हम उसको आगे interaction को लेके जाएंगे and हम उसको आगे और push करेंगे. So that is the way how you are going to pitch and how you are going to create an impact. That is so very important. Got it? The second thing that you can do is, now this was on phone. Supposedly you do it on email. To understand, अब आपको बहुत जगह पे phone numbers नहीं मिलेंगे. So what you got to do is you got to do a cold email. Now what do you write in a cold email? What content should go in a cold email? आप लोग अभी क्या करते हो? देखो, मैं आप लोगों को बहुत clearly बताना चाहता हूँ. आप लोग अभी क्या करते हो? What if you don't have their email ID? Then you don't have the preparation, right? You will have to find their email ID and it will be available for you. Now, how do you get the email ID? You will either be able to get it on their website. If you don't get it on their website, go to LinkedIn, take the premium plan of LinkedIn, and you will be given the email IDs from there. And you can also get the contact numbers. Plus, there are other websites also available. So the thing is, we are not prepared enough to get these results. And that's the reason why we are not able to close, why we are not able to sell. दूसरी चीज, आपको आज तक ये बताया नहीं गया है कि जब आप कोल्ड ईमेल करते हैं तो आपके कोल्ड ईमेल में क्या कंटेंट जाना चाहिए, आपके कोल्ड ईमेल में क्या सीक्वेंस होना चाहिए. There's a particular workshop that we have already done inside Sales Masterclass, wherein I have told you, पहले ईमेल में क्या भेजो, दूसरे में क्या भेजो, तीसरे में क्या भेजो, चौथे में क्या भेजो, पांचवे में क्या भेजो, छठे में क्या भेजो, सातवें में क्या भेजो, आठवें में क्या भेजो. We have told you exactly what to send in the 8 emails that you have to send. The second thing is what people say that Rahul, I am into network marketing, I am into affiliate marketing. No problem. I am guiding you on how do you scale that also. How can you get results there also? But at the same time, if you feel that the company wherein you are a part of while you are doing affiliate marketing or while you are doing network marketing cannot take your work to a level wherein we are talking, maybe a revenue of 3 lakh rupees per month, 4 lakh rupees per month, maybe 8 lakh rupees per month, then what you got to do at the same time is learn from us and develop a system simultaneously. अपना आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग करते रहो, अपना अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग करते रहो. एकदम से मैं आपको मना नहीं करूंगा बंद करने के लिए, ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि एकदम बंद कर दो, करते रहो. Simultaneously learn these things and develop the skills for you. And you have seen that there are so many mentees of ours जो कि अब डेडिकेटेड रिजल्ट्स अपने लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं. आपको हमने आर्यन आर्यव से भी बात कराया था, जिनका जो लास्ट मंथ का रेवेन्यू था दैट वाज 10,000 USD. So you know how much is 10,000 USD? 10,000 USD is around 7.5 lakh rupees. और मैं एक चीज आपको और बताना चाहता हूँ जो कि सुन के आपको लिटरली समझ में आएगा, माइंड खुलेगा, वो ये अंडरस्टैंड a lot of people are into coaching. When you are into coaching there is a lot of investment that you also have to make. एड्स के ऊपर करना पड़ता है, वेबिनार के ऊपर, कोर्स होस्ट करने के ऊपर, मैसेजेस के ऊपर, बाकी चीजों पे. व्हेन यू आर इनटू फ्रीलांसिंग एंड व्हेन यू आर डूइंग सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग एजेंसी फॉर क्लाइंट, व्हेन यू आर taking care of a social media marketing agency for client, out of this 10,000 USD, more than 70 to 80% is 100% profit. You tell me the name of one business. आप मुझे किसी एक और ऐसे एक बिजनेस का नाम बताइए जहां पे 70 से 80% तक आपके पास प्रॉफिट आता है. The answer is none. It does not happen anywhere. That's the reason, and that is one more reason why your business should have an upsell and a cross sell. आपके बिजनेस में एक अपसेल और एक क्रॉस सेल भी होना चाहिए, वो भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. Do you get my point? That's the most important thing. And once you have learned all these things, you will then learn how to convert yourself into a sales machine. What is cross selling? I'll tell you, don't worry. Next thing is, one thing is content management. The next thing is that you can do social media management for them. आप उनके लिए सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन यू डू सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट इज यू टेल देम हम आपका कंटेंट भी आपके बिहाफ पे पोस्ट करेंगे. We will not just do the designing for you, but we will also post the content on your behalf. आपसे यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड लेके, या फिर आप हमें एडमिन बना सकते हैं, या आप हमें मॉडरेटर बना सकते हैं. अब ध्यान से सुनो, ये चीज समझो. आपने कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट करा, people are happy with your content management part. The next thing that you're going to do is, this is what is known as an upsell. You are going to upsell them. आप उन्हें क्या बोलोगे कि अभी तक हम आपके लिए कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट कर रहे थे, व्हाई नॉट वी टेक केयर ऑफ योर सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट आल्सो. हम आपके बिहाफ पे सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट भी करने लग जाएंगे. डज दैट साउंड गुड? विल यू बी इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट? दिस इज व्हाट इज नोन एज अपसेलिंग. गॉट इट? एक प्रोडक्ट था आपका, आपने दूसरा प्रोडक्ट भी उनको पिच करा व्हिच इज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर इन नेचर, और आपने एक दूसरी सर्विस उनको दे दी. जो दूसरी चीज आप कर सकते हैं दैट इज नोन एज अ क्रॉस सेल. दैट इज नोन एज क्रॉस सेलिंग. आपने क्या करा? या तो आपने किसी और की सर्विस उनको पिच करा, या फिर एक कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट सर्विस आपने उन लोगों को पिच कर दिया. जैसे आपने उनको बोला, राहुल नाउ आई आल्सो वांट टू डू द ईमेल मार्केटिंग ऑन योर बिहाफ. राहुल आपका काम है वीडियोस बनाना, आपका काम है लोगों के सामने कंटेंट क्रिएट करना, आपका काम है वेबिनार्स करना, आप सब वो करो. हम आपके बिहाफ पे ईमेल मार्केटिंग भी करेंगे, हम आपके बिहाफ पे एड्स भी चलाएंगे सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग पे. क्या अगले 3 महीने के अंदर आप ये सब सीख के क्लाइंट्स के लिए कर सकते हो? पीपल हु आर कोचेस, पीपल हु आर इनटू दैट इंडस्ट्री, उनके लिए कर सकते हो. चार्ज मनी फ्रॉम देम. टेल देम हम आपके लिए कंटेंट डालेंगे, हम आपके लिए रीटारगेटिंग वाले एड्स भी चलाएंगे, आपकी कॉस्ट पर लीड कम होगी, एंड वहां से पैसे कमाओ, जनरेट रेवेन्यू आउट ऑफ दैट. Everybody, this is what I recommend, everybody start your journey as a freelancer. I did the same, Saurabh did the same, Reshu did the same, Gaurav did the same, Roshni did the same. So many of the people whom we know, they started their journey as a freelancer. Will we learn these all? You will learn all these things, all of them, totality में. Got it? Next, जब आपको ये सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं, हम आपको एक चीज और सिखाते हैं इसमें, वो ये ऑनलाइन पोजिशनिंग आपको कैसे करनी है. वेयर वी लर्न ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ऑफ कोर्स इनसाइड द सेल्स मास्टर क्लास प्रोग्राम, जिसका अपॉर्चुनिटी हम आपको आज देंगे. बहुत सारे लोग ऑलरेडी उसका पार्ट बन चुके हैं. शुड वी फ्रीलांस फ्रॉम एप्स लाइक फाइवर एंड फ्रीलांसर? you can. some clients ask for free demo including free ads and they're ready to pay that amount. देखो ऐसे नहीं करना है. अगर कोई आपको ये बोलता है कि मेरे लिए आप पहले एड चलाओ, रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तो मैं पैसे दूंगा, मत करो. टेल देम हम आपको लीड लाने की जिम्मेदारी ले सकते हैं, कन्वर्जन की जिम्मेदारी आपकी है. आई रिपीट, I can get leads for you. Conversions entirely depend upon you, your product, your service, your ability to convince, your ability to sell. I can't do that for you. The reason why you are exploited with these clients is because you have never got the training on how to pitch them, how to answer them, how to take care of the negotiations. And then you expect to do everything. And then what happens is you go and end up burning your fingers because you do the work with them and then they don't pay you. And then you crib and then you complain. The biggest problem over here is, in order to become an engineer, we go and take training for 4 years, then we get trained by the company. If you are working as a bartender in a hotel or a restaurant, even for that you work for 5 years, you learn for 5 years in a hotel management program, and then you get the training at that hotel and then you work. In every industry that happens. You want to go into saloon, you want to go into serving people, you want to do anything that happens in every industry. Do you agree? The only thing that we want to do entrepreneurship, and we want to do, more importantly, sales, without learning it. And that's where people fail. We don't know how to pitch, we don't know how to close, we don't know how to negotiate, we don't know how to follow up, we don't know what exactly should be the first email, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth email. We don't know how to tackle objections, we don't know how to set up the sales systems, we don't know how to hire people, we don't know how to scale the work, we don't know how to ask for recommendations, we don't know how to create a product, we don't know how to pitch that particular product in various phases. We don't know how many people would be required for that particular system. If I want to set up my sales systems, how many people would I be requiring in my team? How many calls will they make in a day? How will they be able to reach out to people? What is exactly missing in my program? If I'm doing a webinar, when should I exactly pitch? After how many minutes should I pitch? How should I create my content? How do I attract more leads for me? How do I get more leads for myself through organic ways and through paid ways? How should my online positioning be? None of this we know. I told you more than 20 things. You tell me how many of these do you know? मैंने आपको ये बोला that आपके already बहुत सारे existing programs होंगे या products होंगे. उसको scaling करना आपको सिखाया जाएगा. But somebody who starts from the scratch, for them I'm telling them, give yourself at least 6 months of time to start it. And scale करने के लिए, wherein you reach to the level of 50 lakhs or rupees 1 crore per year, give yourself 2 years to 3 years of time. बिकॉज आपको समझो आगे क्या होगा, जब आप आगे ग्रो करोगे तब आपके पास जो चैलेंजेस आएंगे वो दूसरे लेवल के आएंगे. पता है वो चैलेंजेस कौन से आएंगे? पहले तो आप ये लर्निंग वाले फेज में होंगे, फिर आप लर्निंग वाले फेज से आगे उठेंगे, फिर आपके पास चैलेंज आएगा हायरिंग एंड फायरिंग का. whom to hire and whom to fire, what should be the right person, whom should be the right person that I'm looking forward to, will they serve me with that mindset or not. तब आपके पास ये वाले चैलेंजेस आएंगे. तब आपके पास जो और चैलेंजेस आएंगे वो आएगा आपका जो ऑनलाइन ब्रांड है उसको कैसे ग्रो करना है. आपके काम में ऐसा बहुत बार होगा जब स्टैग्नेंसी आ जाएगा, जब स्टक हो जाएगा, then how do you redevelop, how do you repurpose your content? All of that would be important, and all those things would be covered. Got it? That's the most important part over here. Got it? Good. Next, online positioning. You would be guided on how to do the online positioning for yourself, and simultaneously you can do it for others as well. Plus, besides all these things, हम आपको हाई इनकम स्किल्स और बताएंगे जो कि आप अपने काम में इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. समथिंग लाइक कॉपीराइटिंग, something like if you have become a coach, how do you want to scale your coaching to the next level, wherein you would be able to charge 1.5 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees किसी क्लाइंट से. अब आपको मैंने बता दिया कि आप ये सब चीजें कर सकते हो, right? Categories we know, people, we know the process. We need to choose a domain or a niche. We need to particularly work with one industry. We can choose either of these services, gradually develop more services so that we can upsell and we can cross sell. We need our first clients, and then we would be requiring more clients, and then we would be learning how to scale it. And the entire process in between, lead generation, follow up, systems, setting up the funnels, reaching out to clients, ये सारी चीजें हम आपको डिटेल में उसमें बताएंगे, handling objections and everything. Okay, let's suppose we are looking for an income of 50 lakh rupees in the next 3 years. Okay, 50 lakh in the next 3 years. मान के चलते हैं आपने बोला राहुल मेरे को 4 लाख रुपए महीना पहुंचने में अभी से 2 साल लग गए. Is that a good deal for beginners or for freshers at least? Taking 2 years to get to this point, right? Okay, good. So you get to this point. Now, how do you make this much amount of money selling a service? Or how do you make this much amount of money by coaching or subject matter expertise? अगर आप service industry में हैं, you would be needing 4 projects of rupees 1 lakh so that you can charge somebody 1 lakh rupees per project, and for 4 projects you would be getting 4 lakh rupees, right? Or if you are pitching a person a project worth rupees 50,000, then you will be needing 8 projects. Or supposedly you are pitching to somebody something huge, you set up the entire system, processes, everything for them, तो आप 2 लाख रुपए का pitch लोगों को दे सकते हैं, and you would be needing 2 projects, and gradually you would be needing more team members so that you can scale your work. Scaling will happen after you need more team members. ये ठीक है, समझ में आया? Some of the various ways wherein you would be able to get there. Second thing, if you are a coach or if you are a mentor, after you have become a subject matter expert, got it? After you have become a subject matter expert, there are multiple ways wherein you would be able to get to 4 lakh rupees per month. Number one, you need 100 students. If your coaching product is worth rupees 4,000, you need 40 students. If your product is worth rupees 10,000, so that you can earn 4 lakhs per month. You need 4 students if you are charging people rupees 1 lakh. Now you tell me, can a public speaking coach charge 1 lakh rupees and just need 4 students to earn rupees 4 lakhs per month? How can that happen? How can that happen? चलो मैं देखना चाहता हूँ, who can tell me about that? बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है राहुल पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के कोर्सेज तो 2-2.5 हजार रुपए में बिकते हैं, 5,000 रुपए में बिकते हैं, तो मेरे को कोई 1 लाख रुपए क्यों देगा उसके लिए? You tell me. Good Champaka, I agree with you. 1-to-1 coaching. Somebody says no, it is not possible. It is 110% possible. It is 110% possible. You know how? आपको आपका जो कंटेंट है, जो आपका कंटेंट है इंटरनेट के ऊपर, स्केलिंग के ऊपर, वहां पे आपका पोजीशनिंग बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करना होगा. आपका कंटेंट में पोजीशनिंग बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा. आपको बहुत सारा फ्री कंटेंट देना पड़ेगा. आपको बहुत सारा फ्री कंटेंट देने के बाद फ्री कंटेंट से बहुत सारे रिजल्ट्स लेकर आने पड़ेंगे. And then you will only be working with the high-end clients. That is it. You will only be working with the high-end clients, like principals, college owners, people who are spokespersons, people who are at the CEO positions, people who are at the COO positions. But वहां पे पहुंचने के लिए टाइम लगेगा ना यार. तो आपको चूज करना है कि मैं मेरी जर्नी कहां से शुरू करूंगा. You can also have e-books for you. आप 1,000 रुपए की e-book का सेट बनाओ, 50 e-books, give it for 1,000 rupees. You need 400 e-books. एड चला के करो या सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू करो. अगर आपने एक अपना बहुत अच्छा सोशल मीडिया फॉलोअर बेस बना लिया, मतलब बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है यार. अगर मैं चाहूं अभी, आप खुद सोचो ना, विदाउट रनिंग इवन अ सिंगल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, विद द काइंड ऑफ फॉलोअर बेस दैट वी हैव, कांट वी सेल 400 ई-बुक्स एवरी मंथ फ्रॉम जस्ट आवर इंस्टाग्राम विदाउट हैविंग अ टीम, विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग एट ऑल? कंटेंट ही तो उसका क्रिएट करना है, उसके थ्रू आ गया वो रेवेन्यू अपने आप ही. इतना तो हमारा फॉलोअर बेस अभी है कि इतना हम कर सकते हैं. या आपने क्या करा, आप एक वेबिनार करो. सोचो ना यार, आप एक वेबिनार करो. आप उस वेबिनार में, अभी जैसे हमने पिछला वेबिनार करा था, वी रजिस्टर्ड, बाय द टाइम रजिस्ट्रेशन पूरे हुए थे, वी रजिस्टर्ड 8,449 people. Now you tell me, if I register 8,449 people, if I call them over to my webinar and मैं उनको 3 घंटे की वैल्यू देता हूँ, आप में से जितने भी लोग हो यहाँ पे, if I give you a 3 hours value and then I tell you यार मेरा 1,000 रुपए का एक प्रोडक्ट है, 999 रुपीज में मैंने आपके लिए 50 ई-बुक्स का सेट बनाया है. What do you think? क्या इतने सारे लोग नहीं होंगे जो कि उसमें एनरोल करेंगे? Do you now understand why it is a must for you to become a part of the sales masterclass program? And this is for rupees 50 lakhs. Now let's go for rupees 1 crore. 1 crore के लिए आपको पर मंथ कितना इनकम चाहिए? You need an income of rupees 8 lakhs. You need an income of rupees 8 lakhs. इसके अलावा 8 लाख रुपए की इनकम तो चाहिए, लेकिन आपके पास उसमें से बचता कितना है? A lot of people whom I know, they are not able to save money out of it. क्योंकि हमारे पास इतना ज्यादा मेरा मनी में एड में चला जाता है कि मेरे पास पैसे बचते नहीं है. तो वो क्लैरिटी भी होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. गुड प्रमिला, यू नीड टू अपसेल एंड क्रॉस सेल, तभी आपका प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज बढ़ेगा. तभी आपका प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज बढ़ेगा. ये रियलिटी है. एंड मैंने आपको बोला था, आज मैं आपको लोगों को एक और बहुत बड़ा मेगा बोनस देने वाला हूँ. समथिंग दैट वी हैव नॉट डन अर्लियर. जो लोग ऑलरेडी सेल्स मास्टर क्लास में, उनको तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, एंड जो लोग आज भी एनरोल करेंगे उनको भी मिलेगा. हैप्पी ना? 8 लाख रुपए महीने के लिए आपको 1 लाख रुपीस के 8 प्रोजेक्ट्स चाहिए, 50,000 रुपीस के 16 प्रोजेक्ट्स चाहिए, 2 लाख रुपीस के 4 प्रोजेक्ट्स चाहिए, ग्रेजुअली मोर टीम मेंबर्स, एंड देन यू वुड बी एबल टू डू द स्केलिंग पार्ट. एंड सिमिलरली, अगर आप सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्टीज में, यू नीड दीज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स सो दैट यू वुड बी एबल टू गेट दीज रिजल्ट्स गोइंग फॉर यू. The most important thing is we will guide you on what all deliverables have to be there in each of these. तो आपका प्रोडक्ट कैसे क्रिएट करना है आपको वो भी बताया जाएगा. Almost zero investment if you are in the coaching industry in the beginning. Gradually आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा एड्स चलाने के लिए, सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए, सब चीजों के लिए. And service industry में almost zero investment. There is no dependency upon anybody else. This is the result that you would be able to get. Once you upsell and you cross sell, you would be able to get even 100% profit margins, and you can scale it even further. Make sense? we started the session at 5 p.m. Right now it is 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., none of us had an idea how we can scale it to rupees 1 crore per annum. Now, do we have an idea, a fair idea how that can be done? Give me a 1 if that's true for you.